Ugoani, a keen watcher of the socio-political events in Nigeria before 1966, we know that the economy of this great country was in the hand of the Igbo. Philip Louis Ojukwu was an entrepreneur of exceptional standard. The Queen of England visited Nigeria for the first time in 1958. Onye ga-eweta moto a ga-eji buole Queen? Nobody. Until Louis Ojukwu donated his Rolls Royce and chauffeured him around the country. That coup fractured the hold of Igbo nation in the politics. At the end of the war, which some of them are regretting to have taken place, no matter the amount of money you had, you are given 20 pounds to start life afresh.
Which brought that denial and division among us.
It set us back.
So what is
Igbo became hewers of wood, fetchers of water, from nowhere, struggled back. They were cut off from all government establishment. From Unoka, he dominated the spare part market in Nigeria.
Wow.
From Unoka, they dominated real estate in Nigeria. Then they became great travelers. Ofondi, Eme Egbe, or Ndibe na si Egbe, Omama no Ojebe.
Yes.
But one man, I want you to register his name in your political lexicon. Ayo Fayose. In the prelude to 2023 general election, also only one ethnic group has the power, if they harness themselves, to become the president of Nigeria. He said, who are they? He said, Igbo. He said, no matter how remote the village is, you must meet Igbo man there. Maybe doing many jobs everywhere. That if he were to be in Igbo, he knows how to harness the potential to create the presidency of this country. And that fracture has remained there, planted by the British. Obana Dorie, Obanye Kwezuri, Umunwana Buhari. Whether you like it or no, Buhari is the last person in the Ahmadu Bello prime. Recruited them, pushed them into the army because he had the foresight that better they would take over the political life. Then they took it, held Nigeria ransom for years, and let them metaphors in Agbada. Now Buhari is dead. Whether you like it or not, his political machine is in crisis now. The best time for us to come together is what we are doing now.
Thank you, sir.
Power. Power. Ago.
I wish our brother, like Pato Tome, he has to be more acculturized now to know that charity begins at home. I don't want to talk too much about Patuto because I know him too well. We met the line of duty when he was in Volkswagen of Nigeria as corporate affairs manager.
Wow.
From corporate affairs manager, he became deputy managing director and became the managing director. At that time, Umera was the governor of Anambra State when he recorded a very fatal auto accident at Ataporia. It was Umera that came here to rescue him and flew him straight to Frankfurt.
Wow.
So without going further, I congratulate you people for the initiative.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And the greatest work there is to sustain it.
Yes.
I want to give you my word.
Thank you, sir.
On that day I will be there.
Thank you, sir.
Ago.
We are so happy, glad. I know, baby. And I'm going to use that as your keys. That was on Agosa. He had to lie fair.
You say,
Chukuye doing indo.
you say,
You got weekend. Ogunugundu, I gave Figi, Nanka. He had the one to feel you, Mugame. He be happy.
you say,
That was
Dalo, Ago.
Ago.